Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start connecting. First, make sure the DAFT watch has at least 20% charge and is powered on. This prevents interruptions. Open the DAFT app on your phone and enable Bluetooth in system settings so the app can scan. On the watch, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and activate pairing mode. You should see a pairing screen or icon. Once done, leave both devices visible. The phone will be able to discover the watch in the next step. Now tap Add Device in the DAFT app and choose the watch type. The app begins scanning immediately. When the app requests permissions, grant location and notifications so Bluetooth scanning and alerts work correctly. The app will show a detected device. Select it and compare the numeric pairing code on both the watch and phone, confirming they match. If asked, accept any Bluetooth or permission dialogues. After confirmation, the app and watch will exchange information and begin the initial sync process. To finish, let the watch complete its initial sync. This transfers time, steps, and settings. Then open app settings to enable auto-sync, health data access, and notification access so alerts mirror your phone. Customize watch faces and notification filters to suit you. If the connection doesn't complete, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Restart both the watch and phone, turn Bluetooth off and on, and if necessary, reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.